Frank is the facility manager responsible for the cleaning services of a hotel chain. He has a huge problem: cleaning chemicals. They are often rejected by clients, and this is causing increasing issues. He needs to find an alternative solution. Chemicals leave behind residues that remain on surfaces, especially in the pores and joint areas. These are dangerous breeding grounds for germs, and dirt adheres exceptionally well to these surfaces. We can see this when cleaning windows. Despite intensive cleaning, unattractive streaks are visible when the sun shines on them. In addition, chemicals and plastic packaging pollute the environment and affect the health of the cleaning staff. To prevent this, the way forward is to clean without chemicals and use water-based cleaning methods. The answer is hot steam cleaning. However, standard steam cleaners have their disadvantages: poor performance, wet steam, limited applications. Unfortunately, this can damage sensitive areas. Frank hears about the microcleaner via an explainer video. He books a demo, and a Medeco employee shows him how the microcleaner cleans with micro-dry steam. This particularly dry, superheated steam is produced via a powerful patented technology that is normally only used in industrial applications and cannot be compared to conventional steam appliances. The microcleaner can, therefore, be applied to all surfaces. Thanks to its microstructure, it penetrates the tiniest pores and cleans them, leaving them hygienically clean and residue-free. The microcleaner is handy and user-friendly, and the purchase costs are recovered after a very short time. The more machines Frank invests in, the more money he saves. The 200-degree hot steam cleans sensitive surfaces effortlessly without damaging them. Germs and viruses are killed at temperatures ranging from 60 to 100 degrees, and their breeding ground is effectively destroyed. You'll save time due to fast cleaning and have less recontamination. Sticky chemical residues are avoided. Diseases such as asthma and allergies triggered by chemicals are diminished. Environmental harm is avoided, and unpleasant odors are removed. These benefits not only impress Frank, his employees are equally enthusiastic about the microcleaner and even want one for their own homes. Somewhere, a cleaning woman's husband is cleaning floors with great enthusiasm. That's what they say anyway. Have we piqued your interest? Then book a free microcleaner demo now.